Hey Carl, this will probably be my last ticket of the year. I might be taking the first week of January off. We're going to see how that goes. So I'm just tidying things up here. But you're going to need to open up your PNG. Now this is to answer your question in regards to the uh, border here, right? You need to open up the PNG called, where did it go here? There it is right there. Style Guide Sections, okay? That's what you need to open up with Fireworks. Okay, and it'll look like this. I just use the expanded mode. You need to find the Pages tab, right? Remember, you can always access things by the window, right? So go to Pages, Window, Pages. It'll show up somewhere. And then you're looking for Section Headers, right? Open that up. Now, once you're in Section Headers, you can actually flip over to Layers at that point, and then all the layers for the different bits and pieces will be in here, but you probably don't even need that. What you have here is a layer, it's a slice, and it's called Section 1 H1BG. So you need to go from Pages, find your section headers, switch it over to Layers, and then scroll to the top of the layers while you're in the section headers page, and then turn on. You see that? That's that slice there. That's called a slice. It takes a snapshot of whatever's behind it, and it exports it as a PNG graphic. Okay, so for now you can turn it off. You can select your item here, and down here we have the Photoshop Live effects. Click that little info box. There's the stroke. That is your border, right? You can change the color to whatever you want right here, and you can change the size and play around with it. And this is really where, just doing whatever you want to do in Fireworks, totally up to you. But select each piece. This is the only way you can put a border on it that I know of. There's probably a few others, but right, that one there, Photoshop Live Effects, stroke, change the color, something deeper, 5. Okay, can you put a stroke on text? Not that I know of. You'd have to Google that one. I do not believe you can put a shadow on text and make it look like a stroke, but you're going to have to, I have no easy information on how that's done. You're going to have to Google it, okay? If you want a border on text, because it's not a native CSS property. So there are ways to trick it, such as using shadows, which is probably what you would have, but there are no strokes or CSS strokes on text. Okay. All right. Once you've changed your border color here, this is go back to your Layers tab, little top left corner, turn it on. Make sure the web layer is turned on. You see the green? You just click on the green. It should say Section 1 H1BG. Right click, Export Selected Slice, and it needs to go into the graphics folder of your website. Okay, so you'll have to browse to the graphics, or just go to your desktop, put this Section 1 H1BG PNG, put it on your desktop, and then drag it into your website's graphics folder. Okay, I hope that gets you through, and have a great New Year's.